I think one of the myths of event marketing is that if you have a virtual event, people won't be as engaged. And actually, it really depends on the content and the programming of the event. What virtual events have enabled us to do is reach thousands of people that we weren't otherwise able to. So we were looking for a platform that we were able to connect with all of our educators virtually, but then also have interactive opportunities for them to present, show best practices, similar to that which we had in person, where educators were able to work on a challenge and actually complete something using Adobe tools that they can then bring back into their classrooms, which brought us to Kaltura. So we used the Kaltura platform to run a 3-day conference, free and open to any educator in the world who's interested in using Adobe tools for creative purposes in their classroom. And so what we did is the first day of the summit was really focused on a lot of these more keynote type of sessions. We had Ignite sessions that were quicker with a lot of breakouts. And then day 2 focused more on a challenge. So we actually gave educators a prompt and a set of tools and a rubric to complete at the end of the day. And then at the end, they broke out into small groups according to their subject area and shared what they had been working on. And it was a big success. We had over 7,000 educators register. So that's on the education side. At Adobe Live, we do a kind of similar activities where we have live streaming shows that we showcase on Behance. But then we're also looking for boot camps and other types of interactive virtual engagements where the attendee actually feels like they're a part of the content and have an opportunity to practice hands-on. But what's ultimately the most important is how is this event ultimately tying back to product engagement? And what we are able to do is through tracking links at Adobe, what we call CGen codes, we're able to see if someone clicks through a link in the event, are they actually signing into the product? And from there, which features of the product are they using? So we can accurately show that a virtual event directly tied to product usage. We're looking forward to continuing to offer virtual events in the future for our communities.